Lo mfanekiso we-CCTV osabalale ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ubonisa U-Shan, Dwarika kanye nabathumbi beba nengxoxo ngaphandle komuzi ahlala kuwo. Emva kwesikhashana abathumbi bamphoqa ukuba angene emotweni yakhe yohlobo lwe-Honda emnyama bashaya bachitha. Umndeni wakhe uthi abekho abantu abasashaye ucingo befuna imali.
No ransom has come through. None whatsoever. We only know what we've seen on the CCTV, but my dad is a person who will need to fill us in on what really transpired.
Ngokushokoza kwabo emsebenzini ubengumuntu ophilisana nabantu ongenazo izitha. Kanti sekuphele iminyaka engama-26 efundisa e-E-Mut.
I just hope that we will find him alive so that he can once more be part of the university. He's a long-serving member of the university. He's been around for 26 years, has affected so many lives in a positive way, and that is why the university community is so shocked.
To us as student leaders, it is a shock to hear of such incident that has happened, and to students, everyone is so shocked. We are so perplexed. So we are just hoping that he will come back safe.
Amaphoyisa asevule icala lokuthumba acela noma ngabe ubani onolwazi eze nganeno.